So your teacher has sent you a link to a Google file that they want you to open and complete. However, you're not able to type on it and you can't complete it. First thing to look for is right here, we see where it says view only. That means that this version of this document is just for you to view. You can't actually work on it. The most likely reason for that is that your teacher has sent you the link to a template file, a blank copy of the original document, and what they intend for you to do is to make a copy to put into your Google Drive, and then you can work on that copy. So here's how to do that. First thing, before you can make a copy, is you need to make sure that you are signed in to your Google account. Now, if it says sign in, go ahead and sign in. If it has a signed in account already, you want to verify that it's the correct account. For example, if you have a school account but also have a personal account, you want to make sure that you are logged into your school account so that your work is saved to your school Google Drive. Otherwise, it's going to end up in another account and you're going to be a little bit confused. So I'm going to start by going ahead and hitting sign in, and I'm going to sign in to my school Google account. Once you've logged into your school account, the sign in button will change to your icon. And now you'll have the view only option will still be there, and you'll be able to have some more controls up here at the top. The file, the edit, the view, they'll all be more visible. So I can click File, Make a Copy. I'm going to select Entire Presentation. Now once I select the entire presentation, this Copy Document dialog box comes up to give you the chance to rename your document and place it in a specific location. For the purpose of ours, I'm going to have my students replace the copy of portion of the file name with their last name and leave the remainder of the file so that we know what it is. Also, I'm going to ask my students to come to the Folders section, click on the box here, and yours probably says My Drive. So I'm going to click on My Drive. I'm going to click on English 1 because that's where the file should go, and then click Select. Alright, so I can see that I've changed my file name to reflect my last name. I've put it in the English 1 folder, which is where my teacher can see it, and I'm going to click OK. Once I click OK, another copy of the document shows up. So you can see here is the original teacher sent me. Here is the one that has my last name. And now I can type in here and edit the document. Right? Because it's saved to my English 1 folder, it is now saved to my Google Drive and ready to be shared with my teacher, or if the folder is already shared with my teacher, the file is already shared. All right, now that you're able to edit the document, you're good to go.